Dropshipping in 2025 is a very different game from what it was just a few years ago. The industry has evolved, and so have the strategies for success. For anyone looking to thrive in this competitive market, understanding what's working and what's not has never been more critical. One of the biggest shifts in recent years is the rise of personalization. Gone are the days when generic product listing and blanket marketing campaigns could drive consistent results. Customers now expect a shopping experience that feels tailored specifically to them. Savvy dropshippers are leveraging AI-powered tools to analyze customer behavior and provide customized recommendations. For example, if someone is browsing for yoga mats, they might see recommendations for matching yoga blocks, eco-friendly water bottles, or stylish yoga bags. This kind of dynamic personalization not only boosts sales, but also increases customer loyalty. The numbers back it up. Studies show that businesses implementing personalization strategies have seen conversion rates rise by as much as 30%. If you're not integrating these tools into your store, you're leaving money on the table. Another game changer in 2025 is short-form video content. Platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube have taken over as the primary way to engage audience. The key here isn't about polished professional ads. It's about creating content that feels real and relatable. Influencers play a big role in this, with many dropshippers collaborating with creators who can authentically showcase their products. Whether it's a quick tutorial, a funny skit, or a simple unboxing, these videos drive traffic and build trust with potential buyers. Automation has also become a must-have tool for any successful dropshipping business. Tasks like managing inventory, processing orders, and responding to customer inquiries can now be handled almost entirely by AI and automation software. Platforms like Oberlo and DSers offer predictive analytics to help businesses anticipate trends, while chatbots manage customer service around the clock. This allows entrepreneurs to focus less on repetitive tasks and more on scaling their operations. But it's not all smooth sailing, is it? There are still plenty of pitfalls to avoid in the dropshipping world, and 2025 has brought its own set of challenges. One of the biggest issues facing dropshippers is outdated suppliers. Customers expect fast shipping, often within a few days, and working with suppliers who can't deliver on time is a recipe for disaster. Negative reviews about slow delivery can quickly tank your store's reputation. To stay competitive, it's crucial to partner up with suppliers who either have warehouses in key regions or offer faster shipping options. Oversaturated niches are another major challenge. While it might seem like a good idea to hop on a trending product, these markets often become overcrowded quickly, leading to slim profit margins and tough competition. Dropshippers who succeed in 2025 are those who find unique angles within these niches. For instance, instead of selling general fitness gear, someone might focus on premium products for outdoor adventurers or eco-conscious customers. This level of specificity helps stand out in a crowded marketplace. Transparency is another area where many dropshippers fall short. Misleading advertising might have worked in the past, but in 2025, it's a surefire way to lose credibility. Customers are more informed and less forgiving than ever. If your product doesn't match its description, or if your ads overpromise, you're likely to face complaints, disputes, and poor reviews. Not only that, but advertising platforms like Facebook and Google are cracking down hard on false claims, making it essential to keep marketing honest and realistic. Sustainability has also become a critical factor in dropshipping success. Today's customers are more conscious about the environment and ethical business practices. Dropshipping businesses that invest in eco-friendly packaging or partner with ethical suppliers are finding it easier to build trust with their audience. These efforts don't just align with customer values, they also create a point of differentiation in a crowded market. So, what does it take to succeed in dropshipping in 2025? The first step is embracing innovation. The tools and platforms available now are more advanced than ever, but they only work if you use them effectively. Stay updated on trends, leverage AI and automation, and experiment with new marketing strategies. The second key to success is prioritizing the customer experience. Customers expect fast shipping, responsive communication, and high-quality products. If your store doesn't meet these expectations, you risk losing them to competitors who will. Finally, it's all about building a brand. Dropshipping in 2025 is no longer about chasing quick wins with trending products. The businesses which thrive are those that create meaningful connections with their audience, focusing on authenticity, trust, and long-term value. Whether it's through compelling storytelling, engaging content, or outstanding customer service, building a brand is the most sustainable way to grow a dropshipping business. The landscape of dropshipping in 2025 is both challenging and full of opportunity. Those who adapt to the changes, adopt new tools, and stay customer focused have a chance to turn their stores into thriving businesses. The question is, are you ready to take on the challenge?